Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can overlay in CapCut. Okay, so open your CapCut. So when you open your CapCut, come and tap on new project, then import your video you want to edit. So let me import this video of this man here. So okay, so this is the main video we are having. Okay, so to add an overlay to this video, just come and select this fourth option which says overlay. Okay, so tap on add overlay. Okay, so when you tap on add overlay, come and select the overlay you want to add. So the overlay I want to add, I'll add the overlay of this kid dancing here. Then I say add. Okay, so this is the overlay I have added, as you can see. So there are two different videos. This is the main video, the one which is up here, then the one which is down here. This is the overlay. Okay, so to make this overlay make some sense, you can come and tap on the overlay itself, then you reduce it in size like this. Okay, so I reduce it in size so that when I play, both of them are playing. Okay, but if I want this overlay to blend within this video, what I'm going to do is quite simple. Just come and tap on the timeline of the overlay, then select blend icon here. Okay, so when you select blend icon, come and choose the kind of blend you want. So I can choose this, I can choose this. Okay, so I think I'll choose this. Then after choosing this one, which is darken, I'll just tick. Okay, so this is the overlay that is going to be displaying with this kind of blend. Okay, so let me play this video. As you can see in the video, there's this guy who's walking, then the boys who are dancing. So that's how to add an overlay within CapCut. Okay, if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and we shall meet in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.